We are back. Cup of Joe Christmas, and it's a World Cup Christmas. Still sounding weird. Still sounding weird. But that's what it is. And we decided this Christmas season to just splice in some cool World Cup cutters and cocktails just to liven up the vibes. So you can try these recipes on cupofjoecaribbean.com. This one brought to you by the folks at Old El Paso. We supported Mexico. CONCACAF in the house. I am Angus and James, national coach and broadcast and anchor journalist at TV6, James Saunders. CONCACAF, I supported Mexico.
Viva Mexico.
Viva Mexico. But I seen you have one. You didn't come in your German t-shirt.
No.
You came in a national t-shirt.
Yes, sir.
Because TTFA on your heart.
Trinidad and Tobago,
yeah.
to the world.
To the world.
Yeah, because we're proud of Trinidad and Tobago and we want to be there too. That's what we're aspiring.
I don't want to get into the politics. but people hearing it and saying, Angus, he's selling dreams. Yeah.
I selling dreams?
Yeah.
I believe in them dreams.
You believe in them dreams?
I believe in them dreams.
That's my coach.
That's right.
I believe in them dreams.
I'll give you 1 minute to sell that dream.
We have 4 years to do something that we done once in our lifetime.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that each Trinidad and Tobagonian who watching this World Cup in the sand, in the snow, supposed to be in the sand, would love to be a part of that show again. And they would have remembered how that time was when we were driving down the bus route and that pride and wearing red, white, and black. And that is what we want to bring back. And that is the opportunity that we want to have.
And you're working towards that as well.
Most definitely.
I'm
That's the
sold.
reason why we're building a
You sold?
I'm sold. World Cup 2026, USA, Mexico,
Just
Canada.
across the border.
We come in.
Just across the border.
Flights reasonable.
Yes.
Everybody nice good flyers.
Most people have family over there. You want to pay for a hotel.
Come on then.
Alright guys, let me tell you what I'm doing here very quickly. Once I can get this can open. So I'm the base of my tacos is mincemeat. So I have some mincemeat seasoned up very simply, salt, pepper. I'm using some Hunt's diced tomatoes just to give it a little body and get it mixed in there. And we are doing taco bowls.
Because we support Mexico.
Because I support Mexico.
Yeah,
Mexico. So you know you get different tacos. Tacos come in different shapes and sizes. I really just love these cool little bowls that you gentlemen will build your own tacos. Whatever you choose here on the line, it's all you.
So
Is the assembly line?
The assembly line.
am I now a tacos national coach? I get to build my own selection.
I just want to get this very quickly in. So it's a nice little taco seasoning that comes with the Old El Paso tacos. Get that mixed in there. This here is something that I just discovered from Old El Paso. It's basically called refried bean. So it's a little bean curry.
Okay.
Flavored real nicely.
Yeah.
And it gives the mincemeat a nice texture and body and so on. Right? And I really just want to add a couple tablespoons. And I'll show you how it kind of just fits in all nicely. It almost dissolves in the mincemeat mixture. I want to hit this with some salt and pepper. So guys, I have some nice and hot and pipe in here for you. So while that's coming together, I'm going to get you guys starting to build your taco bowls. So I just want to pour nice heaping spoonfuls here for you guys. And it's time to build those tacos. In the oven, warm and nice. So I'm bringing your plates here because you guys need to come across here
Okay.
and get in on the action.
So this is what national team selection feels like.
This is this.
yeah.
So you'll feel like I'm the team now.
Yeah, we
You have a lineup
we
ahead of
siphon
you.
through. You have locally based players,
Right.
foreign based players.
Nice.
You have players who have nationality by way of Trinidad parentage and stuff like that.
Dual citizenship.
And there you go, you get the picture. So I don't know how to.
Is that a superstar there?
So that's the star of the show. Of course, you have your mincemeat. You have some lettuce. You have a little bit of tomatoes and avocados, a little salsa.
Yeah.
You have some cheese and some.
You will see that I know my way around
So,
the kitchen when you see I put
When
this.
you see, I want to see now.
Put this
I want to
together.
see now. All right.
So
this,
I have to pull one of these.
you pull one, yeah.
James,
Right, so
see?
it's nice and hot and
See what
tender.
I say?
So I'm a novice on the job. I'm learning from
See, you
Coach
see what I'm
Angus.
saying?
I'm sitting and watching
So
you
I
guys.
have my spoon, and the first thing I will do is I want to put greens first.
Yeah.
Oh.
That goes along with the patriotic speech as well.
I
It's,
wanna put
it's the right thing
greens
to do.
first, yeah.
Careful, I'm just that bowl could only hold so much.
This is the provisional squad.
You go in. This is my spoon.
No, I think that's that spoon there. So
That's just for
yes,
this.
that's just for this.
That's just for
That's
this.
just for this.
I'm gonna follow the coach.
So you go in greens first.
Going greens first.
Going greens. Going greens. And somehow I feel
Saving the planet.
I want my meat next.
Yeah. So my little advice from the sidelines is that was a good move.
Okay.
Because if you had put the meat first in my mind, it would have kind of gotten the base of the bowl a little
Soggy.
It may have compromised it a bit.
Yes. James, I don't know where you're going next.
We're gonna switch
Oh, I
around.
switch first. So this rotation, this team, sometimes the midfielders and the flank and the flankers and
Good synergy.
yeah.
You get authorization from the coach to do that?
I'm finding, you know,
You on your side a little bit?
Minor League United picking the same kind of ingredients. Because I go in here next.
You're going there next.
I'll go in
You're
there
going
next.
there next.
We call them avocado. No?
Zabuka.
I call it Zabuka.
Yeah. I go in there.
It's a nice selection that the coach has so far.
That one followed everything in there, Angus.
That means I'm a good coach.
Yeah.
If I can get James to follow instructions,
I was a fan.
if James can follow. I hear he was a goalkeeper in his day.
He was, no, I've seen him goalkeeper. Yeah.
Never had an opportunity to play against him.
No, I don't think so.
He was a little
He
bit
wouldn't have scored that night. He wanted to sell your reputation.
So,
Yeah.
what I want you guys to do now,
Who did best?
no, take a big bite.
Take a chunk?
Yeah, because now you need to take and handle it and take a bite. So
yes.
you will now test how well you put
Right.
together your team.
And because my team put together well,
Hey, hey.
So I'm struggling with my bowl.
the perfect bite. I thought you say he's a goalkeeper, thing jumping out the yard, man.
Angus won James on this nil. We coming back, guys. We coming back. James and Angus built these wonderful taco bowls, and you can do that too. Lay everything out, and halftime, build your taco bowl. Back to the game. This is Capital Christmas World Cup style. We coming right back. Stay with us. Good go, guys.
Mexico.